Well, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, fellow bin store addicts. Leanne and I are on our way to Tupelo A-Stock, the bin store in Tupelo. We already got our loaded tea. We are ready for a afternoon of bin store shopping, otherwise known as A-Stock in Tupelo. You can either get online and do the online auctions, or you can go through and grab a bag and go through the bins at A-Stock. So hang out, watch as we go. I don't think we're going to the bin side today, but we are picking up what we bought yesterday, well, over the last week. It's kind of like eBay. You bid on stuff, and some of the stuff you get fairly good prices on, actually cheaper than what you can go buy them for. So anyway, guys, comment, like, subscribe. Misadventures with Day Day, aka Bin Store Addicts. We'll catch y'all later. We'll see. We'll see. I'll do a video while we're in the store. So we'll see you then. Later. Hi, welcome back to another Misadventures with Day Day. We are in the Bin Store Anonymous, otherwise known as A-Stock, in Tupelo, Mississippi, and we are picking up our winnings. There's Leanna. We're going through picking up all our stuff. Just so you know, there's an auction, but then there's a bin store. You can get online, go to A-Stock, look up the app A-Stock, sign up to bid on this auction stuff, and it is oodles and oodles of stuff. So, hold on. And Leanna's getting hers. Now you know how to read it. Huh? What is that?
The inflatable arch.
Oh yeah. She got a inflatable arch. We'll do yours and then we'll do mine.
010 011
010 That's down that way. Uh-oh. There are the ladies that work here. She's rolling in her chair. I think this is our third weekend coming down here. Leanna says I need to go to Bin Store Anonymous because, you know, this is getting to me an addiction.
001
Uh-huh. Now look for that number.
438 358.
438
358.
What is it?
DeWalt batteries.
438 358.
Okay. $511-266 is also.
What is that?
No, it's 011. We gotta go 011.
011?
You going down or up that way?
Are you at
011.
down that way? Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hold on. Stop. Okay, it's on the next dial over.
Okay.
This is 18. Go down that way.
011.
That way. All this stuff could be yours.
If the price is right.
If the price is right. Nope. 011.
Yep, that's it. Okay, now I need to look 511-266.
511. What is that? She got a webbing.
Yep.
Halloween decorations.
Okay, then 011, 015.
015 is down this way. 15. What's the number?
001. Okay, I think it's that maybe.
Yep.
438-903.
And we got a Instapot.
And then we got to go to 019.
019. That is Hey, 19 is over this way.
Okay. 019.
Hey. Leanna, what's the number? Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Okay.
387836. Here it is.
Okay.
Okay, that takes care of mine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah.
Okay. Now do mine.
010.
Again. A stock. There we go. Look, you can buy these. Put there, you got the bottom too now.
Okay.
What are you looking for now?
008. 000.
There's 08. 000.
486363. Put it here. 486363. Oh. There it is.
Good Lord. Here. Hey.
Ooh, and it's heavy.
I know. It's videoing. Oh my goodness. That's it. All right, we gotta move this stuff. Those are some high bay lights for the shop.
010.
A grow cam. I gotta follow her.
859583. Okay.
There it is.
And 438347.
I don't even know what that is.
DeWalt battery.
Okay.
Okay, so you got 1, 2, 3, 4.
Is that all of it?
1, 2, 3.
4.
Yeah,
All right.
4. Yep, that's all of it. 1,
So this is our stock
4,
for
5.
the day.
I have 5.
All right.
2,
So now we got to go over here,
3.
and they're going to check us out, and they'll scan all of it to make sure we got it all. Again, guys, all this stuff can be yours if you go to that A stock under Google Play or the Apple iPhone, register, and you can get on here, and they've got them in multiple cities: Millington, Memphis, Nashville, all over the place. And this is everything that we picked up today. We've been here, what, the last 2 weekends?
Last 2 weekends.
It's an addiction, people. It will become an addiction. It's like eBay, but even better. Hold this.
The employees are what?
They're awesome. Awesome, awesome. So, hold on. All right, there you go.
The beautiful store lady.
Hi,
The
you
one that
guys.
made it possible.
The one that made all this possible. Over on that side over there are bins that you can go through, and today is
Today is Sunday.
Sunday. It's $5 a day. Monday is
$3.
$3 day. So whatever you find over there, each item is $5 today, or $3 tomorrow, or $2, and then $1.
$1 on Tuesday.
$1 on Tuesday.
Wednesday is fill a bag for $10 or 50 cents for each item.
Wednesday is fill a bag or 50 cents for each item. So, all right, we have completed our pickup at A stock. Now we're going to head home and open up all what we've got, and we'll go from there. It's really good prices, guys. Let me. I bought those high bay LED lights that go in my shop. The buy it now price was $274. I got them for $36. The Instapot Leanna got for $12. These, which are little containers to take lunches in, I got for I think $12. I got this for $6. These batteries for DeWalt, I think for 3 of them were $36. Anyway, guys, appreciate y'all watching. Comment, like, subscribe. Misadventures with Day Day. On to the next bin store adventure. Remember, you too can become a bin store anonymous user. See you later.